Hello everyone, good morning to all. I am very happy to see you all again. Welcome to our TechnoCAD YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 4 basic simple sketcher commands in CATIA. Now let us start our video. I hope you are all interested to learn. Now let us start our video. Here this is a CATIA default interface. Here we should go to the start menu, then we can go to the mechanical design over here. Here in mechanical design there are so many options. In that we are going to select part design. In a part design, the part name which we are going to create, you should enter the part name which we are going to use. Then click OK. It will automatically push into part interface. In a part interface, there are 3 default planes. Select a XY plane and go to the sketcher mode. In a sketcher option, there are 2 sketcher feature. One is a normal sketch and another one is a positioned sketch. In future videos we will learn about positioned sketch. Now let us go to the default sketcher options. In the sketcher options there are many sketcher commands. Today we are going to learn 4 basic sketcher commands. First one is profile line or command. With the help of this command we can draw the straight line and also the angular line, and also we can draw a arc profile. The next one we are going to see a normal rectangular feature. This is all similar. This rectangular feature which is already constrained by default, we will only be giving the dimensions. The third one we are going to see the oriented rectangle, and the last one we are going to see the parallelogram. Now let us start with the profile line or command. For that we have to select first profile line command. First click on the center, then draw a straight line over here. You can draw a straight line and angular line, anything and arc with the help of this. First I am going to draw the straight line with some distance. Then I'm willing to draw the angular line. Then a straight line here. I'm going to close it with the arc. See, the profile has been closed. I drawn a straight line and the same command angular line, then straight line. With the same command we can draw the arc by clicking a left mouse of the button, left button in the mouse. Let me just draw another one. Example is select a profile line or feature. Just I'm going to draw a arc first. I'm going to draw a straight line. Then I'm going to draw the arc here. Then a straight line. Straight line to the same distance. then closing with the help of the arc. With the same profile feature, we can draw a different shape as shown here. I will show you the another example. Select the profile, line or feature. We just draw a arc first. First draw a straight line. And with the arc, I'm going to close it with the arc. We'll create a different profiles with the help of these commands as shown in the screen. Before going to next rectangular command, we'll delete these profile lines. Select all and delete it. Now we are going to the second feature, that is called a normal rectangle. It is more similar like other CAD softwares. You can pick a rectangle over here and you can draw a rectangle with the help of two points. Here horizontal, vertical are constrained. One day we have to create a position of this rectangle. We have to give a dimension to the position of this rectangle and the horizontal and vertical dimensions. We'll draw one more rectangle with a different length and width, as like this. We can use this command regularly to draw some rectangles. Before going to the third command, we'll delete all this rectangle feature. Just select and delete. Next, now we are going to the third command, which is called oriented rectangle. The oriented rectangle used to create a angular rectangle or a straight rectangle in both. I'll show you some examples. Select the oriented rectangle over here. Just pick on the screen. If you draw the straight line, you can. If you draw a straight vertical line, you can draw the normal rectangle. With the same command, you can draw the angular rectangle. If you draw the angular line, the parallel to the angular line, we can create a rectangle, that is oriented rectangle. The difference between the oriented rectangle and normal rectangle we can create with the 2 points. Here we should pick with 3 points. Normal rectangle we only create in a straight rectangle. Here we can create a normal rectangle as well as the angular perpendicular rectangle. Just I'll show one example. Okay, pick on the screen. You can see the many angular oriented rectangles are drawn here. With the help of the oriented rectangle, you can create a normal rectangle also with a straight portion of the line. We can't create angular rectangle with a normal rectangular feature. So they have added a new feature called oriented rectangle. These are all the examples for the oriented rectangle. Now let us go to the next command, features. For that we should delete all this, select all, and give a delete. The final one, which is parallelogram. select on the parallelogram. I will tell you the difference between parallelogram and oriented rectangle. This also used to create a rectangle with the help of 3 points. You can create a normal rectangle and with the help of this, and any angle you can create a rectangle with the help of the parallelogram. See the third point, you can pick any point in the screen. But in oriented rectangle, this point line is perpendicular to the top line is just perpendicular to this. But in a parallelogram, we can create any angle. Okay, these are all the examples for the parallelogram. That's all, friends. I hope you all are learned about the profile, arc line features and types of rectangles. If you have any doubts, you just type on the comment section. I hope you all learned basic CATIA commands. Let us learn more commands in future videos. For that, please subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell button for notifications. Thank you. Take care all. Bye.